Hello everyone, greetings of the day. In this video, I am going to explain projection of an equilateral triangular lamina. Take the question. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 sides lies one of its sides on HP, means it's resting on sides, full stop. The lamina makes 45-degree with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40-degree to VP. In this question, there is a word median so that we can follow beta method to solve this problem. Okay, full stop. Draw its projection. Okay, whenever the word medians is came in case of triangles, you had to follow beta method in order to draw the triangle. In the first step, you have to construct a triangle. The side of the triangle is given as 25 First, draw a 25 side. 1, 2, 2.5, 25 25 Mark this is A and this is B corners. Take the compass, measure from B to A, cut it, draw arc. From corner A, draw one more arc. Where the two arc are cuts, place one small reference point. From that point, draw a line up to B and up to A. These sides also should be 25. This 25. Now all the sides are 25. Mark this point is C. Now erase the extra unwanted lines. The side of this triangle is 25 Then project the lines above not to get its median. This is the median. When I look from this side, I am able to see only B and C. Since it is in top view, now I am going for front view. B becomes B dash, C becomes C dash. But what about A? When I look from this side, A is not visible. That's why I will kept in bracket. Okay. When I look in front view, it is seen as a line. In the top view, it is seen as a triangle. Okay, while going for second step, he is given two angles. One is 45-degree, one is 40-degree. Presently, we are in VP. In VP, you have to take HP angle. What is the HP angle is given? 45-degree. Place one small point, reference point. From that point, it is in VP. I am taking 45-degree of HP. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Mark the point. Simply draw a thin line up to some length. Then take this median, cut it up to here. and erase the extra length of a line, then make it this line is thick, whatever this length is same. This point is B dash and this point is A dash, this point is C dash. The angle is 45 degree. Then when I look from the above, draw the projection line below in order to get the figure in top view. Draw a very thin projection line. Now we have to draw from top view. One more. From here, this point is C. Now remove the extra lines, unwanted lines. Now I want to find the shape of this, so that I want to intersect these lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Now I will take the line coming from A, where it will intersect here with A dash line. This is A dash line, this is A line. It is intersecting here, so that this point is named as A. Similarly, this is B line. You want to search for B dash line. This is B dash line once again. It is intersecting here. So this point is B. So this is C and C dash line. It is intersecting here C. So here also I am getting a triangle. Okay, in second step also I am getting a triangle, but this median is decreased as compared to first step, because this median is inclined 0 degree to xy line, but this median is inclined 45 degree to xy line. This is a true triangle, this is apparent triangle. In case of beta method, you have to measure both the medians. Is a true median, this is apparent median. You can measure how much true median you are getting. Approximately 22 mm you are getting approximately true median. What about apparent median? I am getting 1.7, means 17 mm I am getting apparent median approximately. Now second angle is 40 degree. Draw a line from this point, 40 degree. Since we are in HP, we have to take VP angle 40 degree. Place the protractor like this, then measure from this side how much 40 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Draw a line, some length of a line. It is inclined at an angle 40 degree to xy line. Now this is a special, means a beta type problem. You have to consider this true median and apparent median. Initially I will draw the true median of length 22 mm, 22 mm on the 40 degree line, 10 mm, 20 mm, 22 mm approximately. Then at the end of this line, draw a locus, means chain line. Now in this beta problem we had to show two more extra text. This is d1, this is from c to up to point, this is d2. C to d1 true median, c to d2 apparent median. Now I drawn like this. This is d1, this is c point. Now I have to place this triangle like this. Okay, perpendicular to this. Oh, true median is over. Now I want to take apparent median. I will take the apparent median length. This is 17 mm by using compass. Now I will cut it on this line. You have to take near to this point, not like this. You have to cut near to intersection point. The point is intersect, is cutting on the locus in this point. Draw a line up to this point. You can extend up to xy line, right? Now draw a line, some length of a line perpendicular to this line. Make the scale of this line is parallel to, means collinear to this line. From this point draw some length of a line. Now take a compass. This is a triangle. I had to keep like this. Now this point is d2. Now I will measure d2 up to a. I'm taking this point. This distance and this distance are almost the same. Now from d2 cut one arc, one more arc. Since the distance from here to here almost same, now I got this point and this point. This is C. When I kept like this, it will becomes B and it will becomes A. Now I will join up to C, and from C up to B, and connect the base AB. This is the beta angle you have to find. Now I will measure how much beta angle I got. Place a protractor like this. Place the protractor like this. The line is coming from this point up to here. Almost this point is coming here. 55 beta angle I am getting here. 55. Now I will extend the lines above from every corner, but you have to do exactly while you are drawing in the sheet. I'm drawing approximately with little bit fast time. Remove the extra length of a lines. Now this line represents A. Search for A dash. This is A dash. Now this point is A dash. Now this is B. Search for B dash. Once again this is line represent B dash. This is B dash. This is C dash. Now connect A to B, then B to C, and C to A. Means A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to A dash. This triangle is over. This is a procedure for drawing the triangle according to beta method. This completes the problem. Thank you.